I can't keep on doing like that. I can't be busy feeding another woman. I can't do this.
Wait. Bouncer, do your job, man. My guy, my sister is enjoying the money of my sister. What do you have to say for yourself? You have two beautiful women here. What's in it, dog?
Honestly, I love this woman right here. I love her.
Hello guys, this is Melissa Kamgana. I'm from Eastern Cape, so I'm based in Vaal. And then I'm dating this guy for some couple of months. And then I just found out about okay, and then I tried to stop and I failed. So today I decided to call Uyajola 99 to help me get rid of that. So
Real nice, so let's not take it there. Cause when it's time to drop, it's time to drop. Whoa. With the magnets, how I hit the spot. Whoa. Got the balance, never fall. Whoa. Booty banging, I might hit a lot. Whoa. But when it's time to drop, it's time to drop. Whoa. Throw it back and make that booty pop. Whoa. As fast as we could do it.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Smazi. Rooftop, we are back again, bafethu. The Vaal City. It's a Xhosa girl, Melissa. She's crying, bafethu. Ukuthi no man. Celuza uzobona ukuthi boyfriend yami ibhizi nobani kuphi kanjani. Rooftop siyabona ukuthi ubani ibhizi nobani kanti umuntu kabani. Smazi gang. When it's time to drop, it is time to drop. Melissa, celuze la sister. Uzongitshela ukuthi what's happening unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Mfethu, ngiyakubona lapha kuma WhatsApp uyakhala mfethu uthi hey uSipho angazi wenzani. Kwenzakalani mfethu, talk to me.
Oh, uSipho uyangithela and
Sure.
I'm sure. Because I have found him uyangithela. Izinto besizenza together, he doesn't enjoy anymore.
Yeah.
So that's where I noticed like his action shows that the guy is up on something.
Okay.
And then I tried checking his phone, then I got the girl. And then that's why I noticed no, they are actually dating because there are pictures, they went on picnics, they went out, so it's all about that. Sipo is cheating on me.
Okay, at least she has the whole evidence. So why umpalele mina mfethu?
Because ngizamile ukukhuluma naye mara instead ukuthi angilalele a change uba rude uba rafo, so I don't uzocala abe abusive. I don't think ukuthi no, I need some help from other people. So that is why I texted you ukuthi ngazi ukuthi uzongisiza kulento.
Xhosa girl, straight to the point. She knows what she wants, guys. She has the evidence. She tried talking. You understand? Evidence. Uitolile, right? You got the screenshots and shit.
Yes.
Uzamile ukukhuluma naye.
Yeah, makakalaleli guy. Instead uba rude akhulume kabi kimi. So yeah.
You get me? So now this ufike egcineni my sister. Rooftop siyabona ukuthi ubani ubhizi nobani. Are you sure you want to expose this guy?
Yes, I want to expose him because if family yakhe they thought I'm always the one who's wrong.
Yeah.
Well, listing nguye ngiyazama makakaboni and I don't appreciate it. So I want them to see ukuthi ngubani yena kahle kahle. Okay.
I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna screenshot it and I'll also do evidence. Right now, let's walk. Cameraman, let's walk. Right now, I'll just go and do the evidence, ne?
Yeah, bro.
Gather information if he's cheating or not. You understand?
Yes.
For you to see, you understand, and the family will see too. So if I get this evidence, you just relax, just be normal, act like nothing is happening.
Yes,
act like you didn't come to me, you understand?
Yes.
So after that, I'll come and show you, then we go and confront this guy. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine by me.
Right now you can go and relax, my sister, ne?
Thank you.
Danko. It's your boy Smazi. Let's go do what we do best, of which is the investigation. We are Jola 99 Rooftop 7 Gutuban. Don't forget to enter my competition. 20 gig of data, any network. It's your boy. Danko means thank you.
It's all about nigga what you talk about. It's funny how niggas they believe me now. Get money now, niggas getting better now. She said, if I be your side hoe, I'ma be your psycho. I'ma pull up right for you first thing you with your bae. I'ma be a cyclone when we pull up to the bed. I'ma show you moves when we up to the text. Yeah, you hit me good when we up to the sex. Pull up at the rubber when you hit me with the flash. Don't keep me waiting while you eating on my cake. Fuck with me daily if you make that kitty squirt. Don't think I'm crazy if I'm falling for your bed. Fuck with me daily if you make that kitty squirt. Don't think I'm crazy if I'm falling for your bed. Fuck with me daily if you make that kitty squirt. It's all about you. 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 All about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Smaz, and we're back again with the evidence right now. Bouncer, my sister,
Hello.
how have you been?
I've been okay, coping from the stress I have from a cheating partner.
Yeah.
I guess I'm just accepting.
Yeah. I love the way she speaks, dog. Confidence and everything. Bouncer, do me your biggest job, dog, of which is deliver the evidence. Let's show my sister. This is Sipo, right?
Yes, this is him.
Do you know the girlfriend?
I have seen the girl from the pictures
Yeah?
on his phone.
Yeah.
Like, he denies everything
Okay.
about the girl. So, yeah, I see the girl.
This, you've seen this girl, ne?
Yes, on his phone.
Okay. So now this is confirmation, actually. Yeah, I understand.
Yes, that's a confirmation.
This is confirmation. So angazi, my sister Utini, you've seen the evidence. Do you wanna go to them right now? Because aboroto bayaz good right now, baguphi labantu laba, you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Ngiyakena ukuthi baguphi right now labantu laba. I don't know. Do you wanna go there? Or you just wanna go home and sleep, you understand?
No, I wanted to go there just to find peace on myself.
Yeah.
And to expose him to his family because, like, they are too protective when it comes to him.
Yeah.
So today I want to go there and you guys expose him ukuthi what he's capable of.
Shit.
So yeah.
Nizwele bafethu, it's your boy Ismazi. We are in Gauteng right now and we're doing the most identity. Ngiphethe my sister, let's go. Sibone ukuthi umjita lona ubhizi ngani nini kanjani. Asivaye cameraman. Let's go. My sister, you've been in this relationship for so long.
Yes,
Ne?
it's just a couple of months.
And now all of this is happening, you understand? Sometimes I'm just a blessing in disguise, you know?
Yes.
I'm just a blessing. Bouncer, lead us, my boy. Boni moto, sister. Don't be taken away by ukwata, you understand? Let's go. You can pass. Let's go. Look at, check it. Bouncer, come on. Wait. Nah, I see these people. Man. Say, man. See, Pompey.
What the hell is going
Come
on?
on.
What's going on? What's going
Wait. Relax, my boy. It's your boy Usmaz, you understand? I'm fixing relationships and your relationship is broken. What's happening, man? What's happening? My sister, ubani come. Nilise. Wena no Sipo kambani. Yeah?
How can you date a man who is in a relationship? How dare?
It didn't tell me that he's in a relationship, so
How can you do this to me? After everything I have done for you, I've been with you.
She's
through
my
your
friend.
tough
She's
times.
my friend.
But she's saying you guys are dating.
She's
Man.
my friend.
Who's lying?
Wait.
Who's lying?
Wait.
She's lying.
Before you lie, my dog, we did an investigation to you, I understand. We saw you hugging. We saw you know, cozy, my guy. Check this out. You see?
Shit.
So don't lie to her, dog.
It's not like it's the first time lying. I have seen this girl on your phone.
We
And
have
you keep on saying
screenshots of
don't know the girl.
not
Don't
being
know the-
loyal, my guy.
One other
She's
thing
my
that I
friend.
know
Like,
you
she's
need.
my friend.
But how
Really?
can? You went on picnics with the fans.
She's my male best, my female best.
My sister, come here. Let's
How
talk.
long have you guys dated?
For how long have you been dating with him?
almost 6 years.
Imagine I only dated you for months. You were in a relationship.
So
you were
actually-
cheating
well-
with me, actually.
Wait.
No.
You got
What year was real?
6
What year
years.
was real?
Yeah.
She's just
6
somebody on
years
the
in
side.
the
She's just
game.
somebody on the
6
side.
years.
Somebody on the
She
side.
is saying 6 years in the game.
Yes, in a
So she is
relationship.
actually
I'm
the
saying
side chick.
months with you. I'm actually the side chick here. I've been with
No,
you.
you're not the side chick.
Who is the main? Because you have 6 years with her.
No,
So when my sister ukena ukuthi yasipana lo mchitsi.
You know, mina ngitshela ukuthi uyahasla nje.
He's hustling on her. All the money ibuya kuye lo, my
Yini?
sister.
I have been supporting the guy. Kanti ngazi ukuthi ngiyengumfazi wakhe.
No wonder, ne?
Yeah.
So man, uthini dog? What do you have to say for yourself?
My guy.
Right now you have 2 ladies in between you. Ngapha is 6 years, ngapha it's months. What do you wanna do?
Honestly, I'm trying to fix this things between us. Like
Because
she's
you're
just somebody
using
on the
me.
side.
Because you're using me, I'm your source of income.
I'm not using you. I'm not using
Then
you.
what?
I love you. Like
How
I'm not
can you
using
love me while you're still in love with someone else?
Ex,
How
what
is that
happened,
possible?
what happened was a
Sister.
mistake. Like it was a mistake.
And then you have to solve
You
the
are so
mistake.
quiet
have
and
to
you are
solve
so
the
calm
mistake.
and you are the main chick. What's happening?
I don't have a problem with the thing.
Yeah, so you've been enjoying his money.
Yes.
So all of this
It's her money though. Manje soyazi ukuthi imali yakhe. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I feel sorry for her because she's been.
I can't
through
keep
the
on
whole
doing
time.
like that. I can't be busy feeding another woman. I can't do this.
Wait. Bouncer, do your job, man. My guy. My sister is enjoying the money of my sister. What do you have to say for yourself? You have 2 beautiful women here. Uthini dog?
My guy. Honestly, I love this woman right here. I love her.
How can
This
you
one for months.
still have someone else?
This is somebody on the side, nigga. This is somebody.
Can you come this side? Can you come this side, please? Huh?
Honestly,
I want to talk
love
to you.
her. I love her.
You
Like,
love her.
I love her. I don't want nothing to do with her. Like,
So
what
Utin, my
happened was
sister,
just a
oh,
mistake.
this guy is dumping
What
you right
happened
now.
was just a
What are you
mistake.
saying?
For me, it's okay because I'm in a relationship with someone else right now.
Hey, my guy. So you are cheating on him too?
Yeah, it's useless. It doesn't work. So
Hey. They're saying the boy is useless. Guys, now I don't know what to say now, man. Utin, dog.
Okay.
You love her
I
though.
love her.
My sister Sondela, let's fix this thing. I don't like breaking relationships. What are you saying, man?
I do love the guy and thank you for choosing me, but I'm choosing myself. I'm choosing my own happiness. I can't be with the guy anymore.
So honestly, you leaving me after everything. After
When you say
everything,
after
you've been through.
everything, you mean like after you have used me for such long time. So I can't carry on being with you.
I'm sorry.
Then I accept your apology, but I can't be with you anymore.
She's choosing herself, guys. Sometimes that's the only thing that actually matters is yourself. Before you try to go and love someone else there, try to love yourself. Maybe you won't cheat on other people, you understand? So my guy, she chose herself. What are you saying for yourself now?
My God, honestly, I'm done with this whole cheating thing. I'm done. Honestly.
So you accept that you were cheating?
I lost somebody that loved me.
Yeah.
I lost somebody. I lost a part of me.
Sure.
And I'm deeply hurt. And I'm really sorry for all of the shit I did.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, guys, it's your boy Usmazi from me to you. Like, subscribe, comment on the show. Dango means thank you. When it's time to drop, it is time to...